All right, everybody, here's your core bytes number 175. For the first one, you have what is the missing number in the sequence. So you have 13, 26, missing number 52, 65. Okay, so to get from 13 to 26, you add 13. So if you add 13 to 26, you would get 39. And then if you add 13 more, you'd get 52. And then if you add 13 more, you'd get 65. Okay? For the next one, you've got some blocks here representing different place values. So it says what number is represented by the model. Okay, so these are each 100, so that would be 200. Then you have these 10, so 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. So you have 270 total. For the next one, which one would be true? So you have lots of different decimals, and you've got to remember, behind the decimal, the number that is right behind the decimal is going to tell you the largest piece of whatever that fraction would be if it was in fraction form or the decimal form. So here you have 7, 0, 9. Okay, 9 is actually largest, so that's not possible. 0, 9, 7. Well, 9 is largest, so that's not possible. 9 is greater than 7. 7 is greater than 0. So that's how you know which decimal is the correct one. And then for number 4, it says the sum of the measures of two angles is 125 degrees. If one angle measures 16 degrees, what is the measure of the other angle? So you know that one is 125 for the total. That's the total. Two angles together. And then one of them measures 16. So if you actually subtract 125 degrees minus 16 degrees, if you work that out, you will get 109 degrees. Okay? So that is your answer, because 109 degrees plus a 16-degree angle would give you your total. And then for the last one, it says the lines that intersect and form right angles are called blank lines. So if they're intersecting lines and they also form right angles, that means they are perpendicular. Perpendicular lines. Okay? All right, make sure you let us know if you have questions about yours.